We're currently seeing cloud cover and all that rain clear out of the area from our Prairie Band Casino and Resort live storm tracker. And now we are being left with sporadic cloud cover and blue clear skies from our Washburn University Skycam in Emporia. And taking a look from our Midland exterior Skycam in West Topeka, you can see some breaks in the clouds as well here. And from the last 96 hours, we have seen between around ½ an inch to 7 inches on average across northeastern Kansas, with this swath from Washington to Brown County seeing upwards of 10 to 15 inches of rain according to radar estimates. Current temperatures right now are in the 70s and 80s, so it is warm. Where the rain has just cleared out, it is a little bit cooler in the 60s. Near Hiawatha. Current wind gusts are coming from the south between around 5 and around 35 miles per hour right now. As we go throughout the next 24 hours, we will be in the 70s to start off the evening, but get into the 60s overnight. And then as we go into the daytime hours tomorrow, we will see our temperatures increase into the 80s overall. Over the next 12 hours, we will see our winds still be in the 20 mile per hour range, around 25 mile per hour gust on average over the next 12 hours. And we will see those gusts coming from the southward direction going north. Tonight's forecast, we will be in the 60s area-wide, 63 in Topeka, 65 Emporia, 65 Manhattan. We will see those partly cloudy skies. No need for that umbrella tonight. Tomorrow's forecast, we will be in the 80s, maybe even approaching the 90s. So you'll want to grab those shorts, that short sleeve, and a water bottle, and we will see sunny conditions for some of the day. Not really expecting formation of any storms anymore tomorrow, so we have dropped that first alert weather day for your Monday. Severe storms today, nothing has materialized. I don't think anything will materialize, but damaging wind and hail are a possibility if we see those storms materialize on that conditional threat, mainly in north central Kansas. We do have a first alert weather day for storm chances Tuesday with a severe risk possible. That entails the possibility of seeing all hazards during the afternoon and evening in northeastern Kansas, mainly in the eastern half of our viewing area. And then Wednesday, we could see all hazards once again, mainly in the same time frame, afternoon and evening. Could see some storms in the morning, but they will be relatively weak and probably sub-severe. And it's really dependent on how Tuesday and Wednesday morning shapes up that our severe threat will be for Wednesday. But that will occur in northeast Kansas, the eastern half of the area as well. I want to give you the first alert that we have storm chances continuing into late week. After a lull on Thursday, we will see chances for storms on Friday. Right now, all hazards look likely in the afternoon and evening on Friday here in northeastern Kansas. And so let's track out all our chances for storms. There's a dry line somewhere in central Kansas that these storms could fire up. Our models aren't showing that they're going to fire up, so that 15% chance for those storms probably will not materialize. As we go into tomorrow, once again, that's the case. We'll see some cloud cover building throughout the day, which will limit the threat for some severe weather. We could see a pop-up shower or storm really in the eastern part of our viewing area, as you can see from our map. And then we will clear out. And as we go into Tuesday, we will see really the possibility for weather to start to enter the forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday, bringing all of those severe hazards that I listed. And that could continue into Wednesday before we clear out going into Thursday. And then that returns once again on Friday, moving into Saturday. And then we start to clear out going throughout the rest of your weekend. For your winners for the first alert umbrella giveaway, Jamie Heder from Alma and Catherine Ratliff from Marysville, y'all have won today. Sign up to win a free First Alert umbrella by scanning the QR code here or visiting wibw.com/umbrellas. And as we take a look at our 8-day forecast, we will be in the 80s for much of the start of this week and have multiple chances for scattered storms. Once again, we dropped that First Alert weather day on Monday. We then have A first alert weather day still on Tuesday, scattered storms Wednesday, low on Thursday, scattered storms on Friday.